Good morning. Happy April. No, what is it today? May. Oh my gosh. I'm starting out this live fabulous, you guys. Today is May 10th. I feel like April just whizzed by, but today is May 10th, and guess what? It is reveal day here on Coach Connection, and of course we'll broadcast this for all of our Journey coaches. This is reveal day for June Bloom Box. I gotta get my month straight here. Reveal for June Bloom Box. It is May 10th today, and we wanted to be sure to give you the little sneak peek reveal of the new Bloom Box. It is so amazing, you guys. It's so cute. I just can't wait to share it with you. I have one little hint here too. You guys gotta hear my little necklace. It's probably gonna drive Roy nuts because it kind of jingles during the video, so hopefully it won't be too noisy. But this little necklace that I have on is kind of a little nautical feel, right? So does that give you a little hint for our June Bloom Box? Super exciting. I got a little, what are these called? Sand dollars? It's kind of a sand dollar and a little piece of coral. So anyway, that gives you a little hint of what's coming up. But I'm Kim Kesti, Creative Director here at Fun Stampers Journey, and I'm very excited to, yes, give you the reveal for June Bloom Box. Let's go at it, right? So here's the Bloom Box, and I'm going to open it up, give you guys a little peek. You've got, of course, the full-size stamp set, which I have stamped out for you because our stamp sets are coming in, guess what, tomorrow. So super exciting. I've got it stamped out. I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to walk you through the card kits and, oh, little peek. Got the cards under there too. So first of all, let's zoom up on the stamp set. This is called Set Sail. So fun. We've got 17 stamps in this month's Bloom Box. Absolute amazing value. The sentiments are absolutely adorable too. I love them. We've got some that are, you know, a little bit more kind of pick me up kind of sentiments. We've got a nice traditional happy birthday, let your dreams set sail, miss you, which I love for this type of a set. And then just really a nice quote here for somebody who's maybe going through a little rough spot. So super great variety on this month's Bloom Box. Just love it. So again, here's the full-size stamp set. You can see all the pretty little stamps there. And of course, you're going to get your 4 card kits. They're so pretty. You guys want to see a card? Of course you do. Let's pull out card number 1. I'm going to set this aside so I can really zoom up on these. This particular stamp set has the Darling bottle. So we've kind of given the idea of like a, you know, ship in a bottle type of a look. You're going to get this panel back here already embossed for you, of course, in your kit. There's a little bit of fussy cutting, but wait, we don't really like all that fussy cutting, do we? What do you guys think about putting a die in this Bloom Box, or adding a die to the Bloom Box? Having it as an add-on. I gotta get my words right here. Good idea? I think it's a great idea. So I wanted to remind you that although I'm not monitoring the comments right now because I'm live, I do have a friend out there. I have Miss Lynn who is on live with me right now, kind of on live. She's on her computer. She's monitoring the comments right now. So if you guys have any questions or anything that I miss as I go through this quick reveal, just type in a little comment and Miss Lynn's going to be kind of keeping track of those for me. So Miss Lynn, I think that you are going to share that we do have a die available for this. We are starting the new program this month, which means all of our Journey coaches who are subscribed to Bloom Box are going to get this Bloom Box early, meaning we're going to begin to ship all of the coach orders, and this is, again, only if you're a Journey coach, on the 15th of the month. So this is amazing. This is going to give you guys the chance to get your Bloom Box early, 2 weeks before it's released to the public, to your customers. That gives you a chance to go through, do a cute little video. In fact, I saw a video from a coach last night revealing May Bloom Box. She did the cute little unboxing. She went through the cards. It was so fun. So I love this opportunity that you guys are going to get it 2 weeks early. You can set up all your, you know, fun things you're going to do, whether it's classes, whether it's a Bloom Box get together, even if you just make the cards so you can promote them a little bit more. I love that. So you're definitely going to get that on the 15th of the month. And again, if you have any questions about that, shoot that to Miss Lynn. I know that we have a really cool knowledge guide that you guys can download, print out, look at in your dashboard, and Lynn's going to tell you where to find that. So that's going to give you all the details on, now wait, what if I subscribe this day? And you know, I'm not that good at those details. I just like making all the pretty stuff. So all those details are going to be in that knowledge guide, and Lynn's going to tell you exactly where to find that. So all those details will just kind of get you taken care of on that end of things. But you guys want to see another card? Because we like to see the fun stuff, right? So we're going to tell you about when the die is going to be available. It's going to be available at the first of the month, June. And again, all those details about when you can order the die and the SKU and all that, Miss Lynn will be sharing. So here is card number 2. Don't you love the darling nautical colors in here? We have some really pretty blue lagoon and turbo teal. This little pop of summer days. So we have that cute little whale, isn't he darling? I love him. And this is a kind of a fun technique. We've got some things going on back here underneath the vellum. You can see a peek of it up here. Kind of a create your own background, but it's got some added additional techniques in there, which I think you're going to really have a blast with. So cute. Card number 2. Dun, 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 dun. Card number 3. I'll show these all at the end, but here's card number 3. Look how cute. Let your dream set sail. Look at this little octopus guy. He's so cute. He's just fun stamped in black there, but just think he could be any color of the, any of those under the sea colors. Cute little technique back here for creating your ocean. Oh my gosh, love these. Love the cheery yellow sails on this guy. And 4th and last card that will be kitted for you is this little cutie. Look, we've done the bottle on a piece of vellum. So sweet. Love the little cork in there. That guy's great. Again, some embossing action back here that's going to already be done for you in your kit. So just love the layering, the cuteness of this. So you can see that these cards are still bright and colorful and fun, but really give you that fun nautical flair. I have heard you guys. You've been asking me for a nautical set for a while. Now, again, we are releasing this bloom box early. I'm going to let you get a really nice shot of all 4 of those cards. But we are also going to have the video available, with the normal timing. I'm going to attempt to do that a little bit earlier for you, so you get it before the first of the month, the technique video. But again, this bloom box is not super complicated. I know you guys will be able to, especially you experienced stampers and crafters will be able to knock it out no problem without that video, right away by the 15th. But I'm going to try to get it as close to the 15th as I can, so I'm going to give you my little pinky promise. We are just polishing up the last couple shots for a big catalog, so you guys give me maybe a couple days grace to get that video out to you. But it will be well in advance of the first of the month when, of course, you'll want to share it with your customers. So that's the normal bloom box video that I go through and, release all the techniques and kind of walk through some of the projects with you. So again, timing on that, we'll let you know the exact date when that's going to be released. We'll let you know when the die is going to be released. You guys know about the bloom box coming to you on the 15th of the month. Am I forgetting anything? Oh, there probably is a few more details about how long the stamp set is going to be available. I believe it's for 3 additional months after the bloom box goes live. Again, Miss Lynn will have those details for you. So as a coach, you can promote this box and know that the stamp set, not the entire kit, but the stamp set is going to be available for a little bit longer. We kind of try to do the timing approximately what you would have to sell a typical stamp set in a mini catalog. Does that make sense? So our minis are, normally like a 3-month selling period. So we thought that seems like a reasonable time frame to have the stamp set available. So again, all those details will be available to the Journey coaches out there. So again, any questions, let Miss Lynn know. I'm super excited to have Set Sail arriving on your doorstep in just a few days. And I can't wait for you to play with it. So I definitely think it's your turn to bring paper to life with this month's bloom box. Thanks for watching.